everyone, this is bone straight hair, one of the top premium jenhair products. Many customers have purchased this hair and very satisfied with the quality of this hair. But in the process of preparing and delivering, I realized that when we put this hair into a plastic bag, it will a little bit curly when put out. So if you have the problem, don't worry, I will show you to handle it simply and effectively. Now let's get started.
Firstly, after taking the hair out of your plastic bag, you will see that the hair is a little bit curly, so we need to straighten your hair. I will show you two methods that you would use to straighten hair at home. The first one. This is a method that can be more easily done at home because we are going to use an iron. We recommend that setting the temperature as low as 120 Celsius degrees or 250 Fahrenheit degrees. Remember to iron evenly. The speed must be right. Don't let it be too slow or too quick, or your hair will be burned. Now, after ironing one side, you can take another side to iron. There are many people who will talk about damping their hair with this method, but we guarantee the hair will be no problem. Ironing only damps the hairs when the hair is in the process of applying dye or processing, which has been carefully done by jenhair. Now you can see it's a proof that using an iron will make your hair very straight, very shining and very sharp. It has no damp to your hair. Try it at home and give us a comment and like if you succeed. Now we come to the second method. This is the standard method of hair straightening, applicable both during production and during straightening. That is, you use the hair straightener to iron. Hold your hair up and use the iron to straighten each part. Well, it's a little bit difficult when you do this alone. So you can ask an assistant to help you hold your hair up and you will straighten each part, as you see in the clip. I asked help from my friend to straighten easily. Remember, iron evenly. The speed must be right. Don't let it be too slow or it will burn. The temperature of 180 will be most suitable, making the hair not burn as well as freeze. But if, as you can see in the clip, with the long amount of hair, this method will take a lot of time. So, if you have a long amount of time and you don't have time, using the first one. Now is the result of the second method. Two methods will show us the same result, that the hair is very straight, very lining and very beautiful. Try this at home, and if you success, leave a comment, a like. Now, after ironing, you can see the hair is very straight. You can use more hair oil to make your hair shining and softer. Remember to like, share and comment this video if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.